and this triple threat match is underway.
Oh, man! Ryback is not someone to sleep on. He didn't need a GPS to find the mark. Ryback's in trouble. Oh!
You hear how his leg connected? And he does it one more time.
Uh-oh. What's this? Big Show is in all kinds of trouble. You want to know some Big Show history? I'm taking everyone back to the 1999 Survivor Series. That night, Big Show beat The Rock and Triple H to win his first WWE Championship. Oh, man. Big Show burst into the WWE scene and quickly became a main event superstar.
That'll rattle your organs.
Oh! He's got him. Ryback is looking mighty impressive as of late. Wow, I don't know if this arena can take another impact like that. What a rescue there. Do you see this, Cole? Just as important. Do you hear it? Oh, man, so powerful.
And he reversed it.
Good move there.
He wasted, and there's still plenty of fight left. The excitement of the air is palpable for this no-holds-barred contest.
The Miz with the offense. Let me remind everybody, there are no countouts. These competitors can stay out here as long as they like. Ooh, that did it. Nice move. Ryback is a force within the ring.
And Ryback reverses it.
Ooh. Oh, man, what a shot. Hey!
Ryback scores with a tremendous move. He's not exactly hopping up to his feet here.
Whoa, what do you expect, Michael? Did you see what just happened? He's still not through. Wow, that'll take the wind out of Ryback's sails. Ow! Oh, wow. And that's a shot that could drop a Grizzly.
And he's heading back inside the ring. Great offense by The Miz.
The Miz with the offense. Here's The Miz wreaking havoc. Oh, wait, nice reversal. What a move. What a smart move. You know, not since the days of WWE Hall of Famer Andre the Giant have audiences literally stopped what they were doing and just watched as someone walked to the ring. The Big Show stands 7'2" and can be seen clear as day whether you're sitting at ringside or up in those nosebleed seats.
What a move! He is slowly getting dissected. He saw that one coming.
Oh, mama!
And there's the reversal.
Well, The Miz certainly had built a reputation on saying what he's going to do and then going out there and doing it. The fans know it, and everyone in WWE.
Incredible move by The Miz.
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out? Boy, did he get dropped or what? This is dangerous. Forget the bathroom scales, Michael. Big Show has to be weighed on the Richter scale. longer he's going to be able to go. What a counter that was. And he's toast. Ow. And down goes The Miz. Look out. And down he goes. Oh, man. Oh, nice counter. He's going for the pin. This could be it.
Miz wins. Miz is the new champion.
And here's some highlights from the matchup. Let's go to the highlights here. I don't know how you can pick out highlights from that match. The whole match was highlights. Look at this. This was a match that was simply mesmerizing.
Here is your winner and the new Intercontinental Champion, The Miz.
He gets a big victory here tonight.
Love him or hate him, that was an incredible match.